Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You have a column of ID, so begin by verifying the numeric format and removing blanks that break formulas. Once done, create a helper column next to your ID and enter the first formula to identify gaps. Use a simple difference check between a cell and the prior cell. Make sure to sort ascending first. This prevents false positives. Explain to yourself why. The difference reveals where numbers jump, and that jump equals missing entries. This is the actionable start to finding them. Now you implement formulas that generate the missing values or ranges. Enter the suggested IF difference formula in row 2 and drag it down so each pair is checked. This yields either an empty string or a text like 5 to 8 when gaps exist. Once the column populates, use filter or auto-filter to show only non-blank results. This converts detection into a focused list. Make sure to explain the why. Ranges compress multiple misses and single number. Finish by exporting the detected gaps into a clean sheet so you can restore or investigate them. If you need every missing ID separately, use sequence on each range or run Power Query to expand ranges into individual rows. This turns 5 to 8 into 5, 6, 7, 8. Once done, reconcile against source systems and reinsert or flag ID. If something goes wrong, check sorting order, converted text numbers, hidden rows, and accidental blanks. These are the common causes of false results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.